Oops. Yeah, this one was a little bit of a mistake. You remember back in, I don't even know what video it was, and I probably can't find it, but I accidentally did not pre-screen when I intended to pre-screen one. And the reason is because I pre-screened this one on accident. This was not supposed to be a pre-screen. This was supposed to be just a regular submission. So, yeah, a little bit disappointed. I'll have to resubmit the rest as a regular submission now. I just wasted a bunch of money for no reason at all. $9 per book. I mean, yeah, that was pretty dumb. But, you know, we're going to make errors in this hobby. The good news is the submission that I accidentally sent regular, I think it got 8 9.8s and 2 9.6s. So, yeah, it's fine. I mean, whatever. So if we could just get maybe 1 or 2 9.8s out of here, I think it'll make up for the disaster of what I just did. But yeah, let me get it unboxed and let's see what books are in here, because it could be 0. Could just be the raw book spec. This is very light. I have never had one, I don't think, this light before. So let me get it open here. Okay, I think there's 3 books in there. Yeah, so let's see what they are. Make this in. This will probably be a quick video, right? Yeah, check your sheets and double check yourself before you make submissions. So that's kind of the moral of the story here. Alright, so we got an X-Men 206. This one was probably the nicest copy in the batch. Not a huge value book, but yeah, it's not all about the value. Yeah, I mean, 207 is one of my favorite books of all time, and so having 206 in the collection for a little while at least is kind of cool. So yeah, we'll take that 9.8. Let's see what else we got. In fact, there's a book in the submission here. If we just got that one as a 9.8, man, that would kind of blow me away and make it well worth it here. Let's see what we got next. In here. Okay, yeah. Newsstand copy. Amazing Spider-Man number 290. It's where Peter Parker proposes to MJ, and yeah, that looks like a good looking 9.8 from here. I don't think this one is usually challenging to get a 9.8 in with these white front covers and limited darkness on the back. Not a huge deal to get the 9.8, but it is a newsstand copy, so it'll carry a little bit of a premium on the price. So yeah, Al Milgrom cover. Happy to have that in the collection. So let's see what the last one is. And hopefully, it's the book that I'm hoping, but it's probably a very valuable book. It is. Okay, this is my second time I've gotten a 9.8 newsstand of this book. Check the value on this book. It's pretty substantial. Pretty substantial. And it's hard to get this book in that 9.8. It's got this black cover, notorious, as you know, for being difficult. This book really didn't have anything going on with it. This is a nicer copy than the last one that I had. And it has a common defect right here, a little rub on the top. And other than that, not really much going on here. Very nice copy, beautiful copy of this book. There's a little scuff or scratch right there. Yeah, a little bit of a quality control issue right there, but I can clean that up with some Polywatch. I did a video on how to do that. I'll put a link in the description and above as well for you to check that out. If you have any scuff scratches on cases, you can get rid of those or clean them up with something called Polywatch. So yeah, happy, very happy with the submission now. I have to look at those 7 books and resubmit those, unfortunately, but we'll get to that, not a big deal. And yeah, I did not mean to pre-screen this time. I can't think of anything else going on right now. Got a few big books in the pipeline. We'll show you those here in a little bit. Working on some tools, working on maybe some videos, some tutorials, things like that. Maybe a course. I have no idea. We're still getting there on what I'm going to do with this channel. But yeah, whatever it is, it'll be fun. I'm glad you're along for the journey. So stay nerdy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.